What if I told you that by 2030 your job could be performed by a machine? Yes, you heard right. AI automation is projected to displace up to 800 million jobs. We're not talking about the distant future, but a mere 6 years from now. An age of transformation where artificial intelligence is not just a concept, but a reality that's reshaping the world around us. Picture an era where machines could potentially replace humans in many professions. But which industries are at the highest risk? This is what we'll uncover today. As we delve into this topic, we'll count down the 11 industries that are the most vulnerable to AI automation. We'll explore how AI tools are revolutionizing these fields and what it means for the future of work. So, without further ado, let's dive into the 11 industries that AI could transform first. Starting at number 11, we have graphic design. In this realm, AI tools such as Midjourney and Stable Diffusion are making waves. They're revolutionizing the industry by creating high-quality designs at an unprecedented speed. As these tools become more sophisticated, the demand for human designers seems to be on a downward trend. The swift and efficient capabilities of AI are reshaping the very landscape of graphic design. It seems that AI, with its ability to generate designs rapidly, is reshaping the future of graphic design. At number 10, we find translation services. Technologies such as ChatGPT are making major strides in this field. They're enhancing the accuracy and efficiency of translations, making the process faster and more reliable than ever before. By leveraging the power of AI, these tools can process and translate massive amounts of text in a fraction of the time it would take a human translator. This raises a question. Will there be a need for human translators in the future? In a world where AI can accurately translate languages, the future of human translators is uncertain. Coming in at number 9, we have manufacturing. This industry is experiencing a significant shift, with AI robots stepping in to take over tasks traditionally performed by humans. These robots, renowned for their precision and efficiency, are streamlining the manufacturing process, from assembly line production to quality control. The benefits are undeniable. With increased productivity, reduced error rates, and the ability to perform tasks around the clock. However, this technological revolution is not without its concerns. As robots replace human roles, there are growing fears about job displacement and the future of work in manufacturing. Furthermore, the rise of AI also poses questions about the skills required in this new age of manufacturing. Will workers need to become versed in robotics and AI to stay relevant? Or will the industry find a balance between human and machine labor? With AI's precision and efficiency, the manufacturing sector is poised for significant changes. Number 8 on our list is data processing. Picture this: advanced AI algorithms performing data entry and analysis tasks at lightning speed with pinpoint accuracy. These digital whizzes are automating tasks that once required human intervention, and they're doing it with an efficiency that's hard to compete with. From capturing raw data to delivering detailed analytics, AI is revolutionizing the way we process information. As AI becomes more adept at processing data, the role of humans in this field is under scrutiny. At number 7, we have accounting and bookkeeping. As artificial intelligence progresses, it's reshaping the financial world. AI-driven software is taking over a variety of tasks, from data entry to financial analysis, automating processes that once required human intervention. This doesn't spell doom for accountants and bookkeepers. Instead, it's a call to action, urging professionals to adapt by integrating AI tools into their work. The future of accounting and bookkeeping seems to be intertwined with the evolution of AI. Number 6 on our countdown is customer support. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing this sector with chatbots and virtual assistants. These tech marvels are not only answering customer queries round the clock, but also doing so with increased efficiency and precision. The impact? A potential reduction in the demand for human customer service representatives. As AI continues to evolve, it's poised to handle even complex customer interactions. With AI changing the face of customer support, the role of human representatives could be in jeopardy. At number 5, we have editing and proofreading. The rise of AI has introduced tools that can perform complex editing tasks, once the exclusive domain of human proofreaders and copy editors. These sophisticated systems can identify errors, suggest improvements, and even adjust the tone of the text. They are not only fast and efficient, but are also improving in accuracy. With this shift, traditional roles in editing and proofreading are being challenged. As AI continues to evolve, the future of editing and proofreading could be in flux. Number 4 on our list is market research. The advent of AI analytics tools is revolutionizing the way we gather and analyze data. These sophisticated algorithms can sift through vast oceans of information, identifying patterns and insights at a speed that's simply impossible for a human. This efficiency could potentially reduce the need for human market researchers, but it's not all doom and gloom. This shift in the industry may redefine, rather than eliminate, the role of market researchers. AI's ability to analyze data on a massive scale could redefine the role of market researchers. We're in the top 3 now, and at number 3 we have legal assistance. The legal industry is a realm where AI's precision and speed are causing a paradigm shift. AI's ability to review contracts and research case law is not only streamlining legal processes, but also enhancing accuracy. Imagine AI tools scanning thousands of legal documents in seconds, spotting potential issues, and suggesting improvements. Remarkable, isn't it? But what does this mean for legal assistants? The future necessitates them to acquire new AI complementary skills. The emphasis is on strategic thinking, creativity, and human judgment, skills that AI has yet to master. By integrating AI into their work, legal assistants can focus on complex tasks that require a human touch. So while AI is indeed transforming the legal industry, it's also creating opportunities for legal professionals to evolve and adapt. The legal field is on the cusp of an AI revolution, revolutionizing the role of legal assistants. At number 2, we have financial planning. The world of finance is not immune to the sweeping changes brought about by artificial intelligence. Robo-advisors and AI algorithms are taking the industry by storm, reshaping the landscape of financial planning and tax preparation. These digital platforms can provide automated, algorithm-driven financial planning services with little to no human supervision. They're capable of assessing an individual's financial health and goals, then offering tailored advice and strategies. This doesn't spell the end for human financial advisors, though. In fact, it encourages professionals to differentiate their services. They can focus on complex tasks and offer a more personalized, relationship-driven approach. AI might be quick and efficient, but it lacks the human touch, the ability to understand unique circumstances, or offer empathy during financially stressful times. Financial planning is being transformed by AI, prompting professionals to adapt. The future of financial planning will likely be a blend of AI efficiency and human insight. And finally, at number 1, we have software development. The world of coding and software creation is undergoing a seismic shift thanks to the advent of artificial intelligence. AI developments like ChatGPT are significantly automating coding tasks, making the process faster, more efficient, and less prone to human error. Now, this doesn't mean that software developers will become extinct. Instead, it's a clarion call for developers, especially those at the junior level, to specialize in areas where human expertise remains irreplaceable. This could be in areas like strategic decision-making, creative problem-solving, or empathizing with end users to create more intuitive user experiences, tasks that AI still struggles with. The key here is adaptability. In this rapidly changing tech landscape, developers who can seamlessly integrate AI tools into their work and continuously upskill to stay ahead of the curve will be in high demand. The realm of software development is set for a shakeup as AI continues to advance. While the rise of AI certainly poses significant challenges, it also offers opportunities for growth and adaptation. It's akin to a double-edged sword, cutting through traditional roles, but also carving out new avenues for those ready to adapt. In this shifting landscape, embracing technological changes becomes not just a choice, but a necessity. Learning to dance with AI rather than against it may be the key to staying relevant. Upskilling, learning new tech, integrating AI into your work, these are no longer futuristic concepts, but the very fabric of today's professional world. In industries like software development, accounting, or legal assistance, AI is not replacing humans, but altering the nature of work itself. It's urging us to specialize, to find those areas where human expertise remains irreplaceable. In the face of AI's relentless advance, the key to survival may well be adaptability and a willingness to evolve. After all, in this new era, it's not the strongest who survive, but the most adaptable.